Experience driving perfection in the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Come on in and take a test drive.